Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how you can create pop-up on Squarespace. So let's get started. First of all, open squarespace.com and now select the marketing tab. Now click on the promotional pop-up. Now you have to turn on the display pop-up button. Here select the layout to change if you want. Then click on the actions button to change the email field, button, etc. Now click content. This is to change the headline and body content. Now click display and timings to change the timings of the pop-up and how they display. Now click styles. This is to change the font, color, body, background. And now click on the save button after selecting all the necessary styling changes. After saving it, that's how you will create pop-up on Squarespace. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.